The quantity of amniotic fluid is evaluated via ultrasound employing one of these two techniques, maximum vertical column. The maximum vertical column of the amniotic fluid is assessed and quantified. Normal values are considered to be between 2 and 8 to 10 centimeters depending on gestational age. For the calculation of the amniotic fluid index, the uterus is split into 4 quadrants, and the maximum vertical columns from each quadrant are added together, with a normal liver size ranging from 5 to 24 centimeters. Typically, the standard and most commonly used method for evaluating the volume of amniotic fluid in low-risk pregnancies is by measuring the maximum vertical column. However, if any anomaly is detected during the pregnancy, the specialist proceeds to calculate the liver size.